Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to do a quick little review on the Superbonder. As you guys know, I am currently using Ruthie Belle's Superbonder after all of my sets. So just wanted to do a little quick review on the retention that I got using the Superbonder. Now, to be honest, I really can't tell if there's much of a difference, because you have some clients that really maintain their lashes very well, and then you have some that don't. So most of my clients, they really maintain their lashes very well, and prior to me even using the Superbonder, they used to have really good retention. So but I mean, I guess it works. I haven't had a client that came back and all her lashes were off within 3 to 4 weeks. It does help. So I will go ahead and insert a little video and a picture of my client when she came back for her refill after using the Superbonder, and then I'll show you a little picture of her lashes after her fill. But let me know what you guys think. If you guys have used the Superbonder, let me know if you have used it, and let me know what you think about the Superbonder. I mean, like I said, I really couldn't tell if there was a major difference, because I mean, most of my clients maintain their lashes very well. But I guess it does help, because I did hear some people say that they had clients letting them know that their lashes were like coming off sooner with the bonder. I haven't had that issue, so I guess it does help. This client, her lashes, this was actually a 4-week refill. So and like I said, she maintains her lashes very well, so I never have a issue with her. But go ahead and check out the pictures and this little clip of her lashes. So as you can see, her retention was very good for 4 weeks. She normally comes in within 4 to 5 weeks. I've been trying to get her to come in every 3 weeks, but she normally comes in around 4 or 5 weeks. But she does need to come in within 2 to 3 weeks to get her filled, just to make sure that her lashes are still looking full. But yeah, that's her retention, and I did use a Superbonder. But like I said, I guess it does help. Like I said, that was 4 weeks, and she had a good amount of lashes left, a really good amount. That's a volume set that I did for her, and she had a really good amount left. So it does help. But like I said, it still depends on how well your clients maintain their lashes as well. So that goes hand in hand with the way you apply your lashes and the way your clients maintain their lashes. So it will help, but I mean, it's not something that you want to say is going to help every single client, because if that client doesn't maintain their lashes the way that they're supposed to maintain them, then it's useless. I hope this review helped. If you guys have anything else that you would like for me to review, just comment below. Like this video, subscribe if you guys know any newbies in the lash industry that have questions, or are just looking for some tips and tricks. Share this video, subscribe. Again, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.